How to use Google Authenticator on PC. Now, you gotta keep in mind that there's no official Google Authenticator app for Windows or Mac OS. However, there is a way to do it on your computer, and that is to download BlueStacks. Once you do that, and once you set it up and running, you can go to the Play Store, as you can see here, and let's just search up Google Authenticator. And let's install it. Okay, Google Authenticator is installed. Let's open it. Let's get started. Continue with your profile. And there you go. You got your Google Authenticator running on your computer. If you ever uninstall BlueStacks or the emulator instance is deleted, you could lose your authenticator codes unless you've enabled Google Authenticator's Cloud Sync or saved backup recovery codes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.